Hey guys, today's mug is very punny. It says Swift T, but it says T-E-A at the end. And today's question is this. It says, are all words a part of speech and why? So the short answer is yes. There are 9 parts of speech and they cover every word. I'm going to give you a short explanation of each, but if you're really confused about one, check out my series on grammar. Okay, so first we have a noun, a person, like Taylor Swift, a place, like Six Flags, a thing, like an Oreo, or an idea, like love. That one's tough because you can't touch an idea, right? You can't hold love in your hand, but it still exists, and it's a noun. Next, we have verbs. Verbs are action words, but they can also do a few other things like linking and helping verbs, which I have examples of here. Next, we have an adjective that describes a noun, like the smelly dog or the scummy pond, a shy fish. Articles are the words the, a, and an. So should I go to the party, bring a gift, will there be an ice cream bar? Adverbs are tricky. Short answer, they describe verbs, they describe adjectives, they describe other verbs. Basically, if you don't know what a word is, it's probably an adverb. So I angrily walked away. Angrily tells me how I walked. The pool was ridiculously cold. Ridiculously describes an adjective, cold. And then very quietly tiptoeing. This is one where it describes another adverb. Again, those are kind of tricky. A pronoun replaces a noun, so instead of talking about myself in the third person, like if I said Mrs. Mundle has lots of mugs, that'd be weird. We use pronouns to replace that. So I would say I have lots of mugs, or maybe he has lots of mugs, or you have lots of mugs. Those are pronouns. Conjunctions join together words, phrases, sentences. There are tons of them. Probably the most common are but, and, or so. Prepositions, these are position words. So I like to think of a house. If I can describe something in relation to the house, it's probably a preposition. So the chimney is on the house. The bush is near the house, right? The sun is behind the house. These are position words, and so they're prepositions. Interjections are exclamation words. So if I said, oh, ouch, that's an interjection. And then really quickly, the why are these all the words in the English language? Why are they all a part of speech? Well, parts of speech are like tools and they give us a language. So if you want to ask me a question about language, knowing those parts of speech gives you the words to ask a better question. So hopefully that answers your question, and that's been today's Writing Roast.